So, let's talk a bit about how to transform your data into a living thing. A good friend of mine sent me this data on WhatsApp at dawn. It was not in tabular form as seen here. It was typed and sent via WhatsApp. I had to put them in table form. His simple request was, please can you analyze this data? That was his request. Simple and straightforward. How do you do this if you are presented with this data by your boss at work? This is where your ingenuity as an Excel user and data analyst comes to play. First things first, as you can see, the whole data is in text. So it now depends on you to transform it into numbers first so that you can analyze it properly. To do that, you need to fall on your Excel functions and formulas to aid you. Knowing what to use to get the text data transformed into numbers is the key to unlocking your analysis. Immediately you get the data transformed into numbers or figures, you are good to go. The second most important thing you need to know is the kind of story you want to tell, or better still, the kind of information you would want to present to your boss. As you can see, with this data, I have analyzed the data into 2 bar charts. I can go further to have the data analyzed into percentages, such as what percentage of men constitute the total in both previous and current administrations. I can go further to do percentage changes and have them graphically presented using a donut chart. So, knowing how to transform your data into analyzable data and knowing what story to tell is very essential in data analysis. It comes with constant practice and ingenuity. Have a good day.